Hey Color Club, it's Jana. I'm just sharing with you what I'm weaving right now, and it happens to be the project number 3 from the Color and Tapestry Workshop in the January and February colorways from the Everlea Colour Club. So I'm starting from darkest and going to lightest with my main colors from the January Colour Club colorways, and then the opposite, so starting with light and going to dark with the February Colour Club colorways, so that we'll have a high contrast at the beginning and ends of the tapestry, and then have kind of, this is already kind of landing in the middle value colorways that are going to blend nicely in the middle. So beautiful, and even better in person. So I encourage you to try this with your Everlea Colour Club colors. And I did warp up with a triple strand of Everlea Fingering, and my plan is to leave a fringe like this I did with this one. So with the twining at the beginning and the end, my weaving will be secure and won't unweave, and I'll be able to just take it off the loom and cut the ends to be the same length, and can use it for whatever I like, wall hanging or a coaster. And so I don't recommend that you do this on the Everlea tapestry loom for anything much wider than would fit on a mini loom, so that's 4 inches wide, just because we want a really strong warp when we're weaving tapestry, because the more we weave, the higher our piece gets, the more tension is on our warp, and the more likely the warp is to break. So I know we're safe with a triple strand on the mini loom, and I recommend you try it. For these 3 colors, I used the second darkest variegated green, the chartreuse green, and the second darkest color in the January Colour Club. So I held those all together as I warped up the loom. It can be a little bit tricky. You have to keep an eye on making sure that you are catching all 3 especially when you're doing your pickup shed, because as you can see here, I accidentally didn't go under and over properly. So I'm just going to go back and fix that by pulling out that pick. Luckily it was the very first pick of my yellow, so I can just kind of tease that open and fix it. But yeah, give it a shot. Show me what you're doing. Put some pictures up here. I'd love to see it.